ngayong gabi. Sa mga ngayong gabi na to, papanoorin natin si Bacon. Ba't may skibidi toilet dito?
Story and Bacon.
Ayan guys. Ayan yung mga story kay Bacon. Tingnan natin to yung mga iba. Santo. Yung tungkol to kay Bacon eh. Ito, music tayo muna.
Who are you? What do you want from me?
Huwag ka magsalita, bruha.
Getting stronger every day.
Ayan po guys, yung nawalan siya ng papa, si Baconer. Ayan yung ginagawa nila guys. Kaya maawa kayo dito. Huwag niyo makalimutan mag-like and mag-subscribe. May mga robot yan. Ayun yung pumatay sa papa ni Bacon. Kaya nagsitakbuhan lahat. Nilusan niya ang mga si Lily Bacon. Lily, na Lola, na Pulido, ay hindi. Si Lily, pati si Bacon, pinapatay. Ayun na, ang dami nila. Sana maawa ko kay Bacon niya. Ayun, may kulay blue. Ano na yung mata? Kinaibigan niya. Kaibigan niyang robot. Ayan o. Ano yan? Mga ganggang na Bacon. Asan yung robot na isa dyan? Akala ko yung dyan. Ayan. Magbubuk. Talo pa dyan si Bacon. Pero malalaksan niya pa yung lalo. Ayan, lalaksan niya lang. Guys, kinaya niya na. Kinaya niya yung pagsuntok-suntok niya. Naano siya sa mga ganggang. Sa mga mga siga. Talo niya na, diba guys? Guys, matatalo niya rin yan. Mapapabaksak niya si Lily. Diba?
Getting stronger every day. To the bullets and the flames. But the fire's in your eyes and there's no place left to hide.
Ayan, yung nagligtas ka nila. mga ganggang na ano sa Roblox. Mga siga. Pali yan guys. Diba tanggalin yung ulo? Guys, nagtulong-tulungan silang tatlo.
Getting stronger every day.
So nakita niyo naman po yung kalakas ni Bacon. Tignan natin to. Ayan. Ayan guys. Pinatay ni Noob si Bacon. Niluto yung buhok. Pati namatay. Nalulungkot ako guys.
Hey, do you know where the restroom is at?
It was at that moment that
Ay.
Bob knew he messed up.
My God, what happened to Roblox? What? They removed Bacon here. Wait, what? They changed the default avatars and now it looks like this. First the Uso, now this? What do you guys think? My God, what happened?
I have to get there fast. Hey,
Aray. Kaya to.
Short Griffin Roblox. Short Creepy in Roblox is Night Shift.
Tingnan nyo to guys. Nalaro ko na to eh. Eto si Panutski. Dak nagulat. Ay, si Panutski. Diba baliw? Ito si Boy Ashru.
The Roblox short horror game Night Shift scared the crap out of me.
Wait, who's this? Sir? I think it's an old man. He escaped from his old folks' home, retirement home. Sir, are you lost? Ah! Did he just run off?
Baliw siya guys.
Oh, there's a fire! There's a fire! Oh no, there's a fire in the garbage can out front! Grab the fire extinguisher, there's a fire!
Ano, si Pangit. So, dito na nagtatapos ang video, guys. And, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like and subscribe.
Bakit naman may sound effect na ganon? So, as a cabin crew, ikaw yung pinaka...
There's no small order fee, low to no delivery fee, and a quick checkout process for folks who just want a small snack delivered fast. And that's on top of Food Panda's already affordable prices, giant restaurant in-store selection, and reliable service. So if you crave a meal for one, tap this video now.